Ni hao, Master Designers. Tonight we're gonna draw a tank, otherwise known as one of my favorite ankylosaur from Dinosaur King. He's known as Cycadia, one of my top favorite dinosaurs from the Cretaceous. I always thought this guy was a Tarkia. As it turns out, this guy definitely has the respect and the bravery that I love. Dinosaurs are basically my life. I promised I'd draw dinosaurs this year, and I'm granting your wish.
Something I found on ShareCare, combination drug Promaxin. It is used to treat severe infections caused by susceptible bacteria. It is classified as a carbapenem antibiotic and is administered intravenously. From nidalenews.com. The plant-eating behemoth from the mid-Cretaceous period belonged to a group of dinosaurs known as the Titanosaurians, the largest known land-dwelling animals to have ever existed.
Sorry about that. Alexa, tell me about the ankylosaur known as Cycadia.
From PLOS.org. Jinyun pelta sinensis is a basal ankylosaurine dinosaur excavated from the mid-Cretaceous Liangtao Tang Formation of Jinyun County, Zhejiang Province, China.
There. That's how you draw a tank.
From pinatailand.info. Featured, from bottom to top, are the sour shelly bean, sour crolla, sour sandwan and ankylosaur species are Cumberosaurus eversi and Minmi paravertebra from Australia, Antarctopelta oliveroi from Antarctica, Spicomelis afer from Africa, and Stegoris elengasson from Chile. Psyche was discovered by the Italian astronomer Annibale de Gasparis on March 17, 1852 from Naples and named after the Greek mythological figure Psyche today. The asteroid no longer exists.
Alexa, what is the ankylosaur named Cycadia?
From CNN.com. Roughly 2 meters, 6.5 feet, in size. The small armored dinosaur called an ankylosaur dates from the late Cretaceous period, around 71.7 million to 74.9 million years ago.
Anyway, that's how you draw a tank.